Web pages not loading? Games lagging? Wi-Fi acting up? Before you restart your router for the 10th time, let me show you how to test your connection like a pro, using the ping command, built right into Windows. You're watching MrFixIt. Let's fix it. First, press Windows key R. Type CMD and hit Enter. Boom. You're in the command prompt. Now type this, pinggoogle.com, and press Enter. This sends tiny packets to Google's servers. If they reply, your internet's alive. If not, your connection is probably down. To monitor your connection in real time, type pinggoogle.com-t. This pings continuously until you stop it. Hit Ctrl-C to end the test and see the summary. Want to customize it? Try pinggoogle.com-10 sends 10 pings. Pinggoogle.com-L1000 sends 1000 byte packets. Perfect for testing stability under load. Now, to check if your router is reachable, type ping 192.168.1.1, but here's the thing, not all routers use that IP. Yours might be 192.168.0.1, 192.168.8.1, or even something else. So if it fails, don't panic, just Google your router model, or check your gateway IP using ipconfig. Still not sure where the problem is? Try ping 127.0.0.1 or ping localhost. This checks if your PC's own network system is working. If that fails, the issue is on your end. And that's how you master ping, from testing your Wi-Fi to spotting router issues, all with one simple command. Like this tip? Smash like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe for more no-fluff CMD tricks, only on MrFixIt.